Hey, Cook Hall Chef Kendra here, and today we're making my deluxe spicy chicken sandwich. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have a couple of chicken breasts here that we're going to trim of excess fat and undesirable bits. Next, I'm going to cut through the middle, making 4 pieces out of 2 chicken breasts. We're going to cut the chicken breast in half, just like so. Popeye's chicken sandwich madness a while back had to shock even them. It was crazy for a while. Long lines, people getting upset that they were out. It was wild. Alright, now that the chicken has been washed, trimmed, and cut, we're going to make a brine in a large zip top bag. Our chicken is already in the bag, and now we're adding accent, cayenne pepper, kosher salt, hot sauce, we're going to work that seasoning into the chicken vigorously. Pour in some buttermilk. Work the buttermilk into the chicken breast. We're going to drop that zip top bag into a bowl and toss it in the fridge for 24 hours, y'all. And the reason why we toss it in the bag is because we don't want it to spill all over the refrigerator if we have a leak in that zip top boy. We have accent, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, a couple of eggs, and a bit of black pepper. We're going to add the seasonings to the flour and mix well. Crack a couple of eggs and make sure you get the shell out. We're adding regular milk and buttermilk to the eggs, and we're going to mix that up well. Now we have our breading station set up. We have our brine chicken out of the refrigerator, and we're going to drain and toss the brine. Next, we're going to dip the chicken pieces into the flour mixture. Then into the egg mixture, back into the flour mixture, and then we're going to set on a plate and set it aside. Now we're going to get a pan over medium heat. We're pouring in about 2 inches or so of vegetable oil, and we're going to let that come to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that goes down, lay the chicken in away from you so you don't splash yourself. We're going to let this cook until it's golden brown and crispy. Then we're going to flip it and cook the other side till it's golden brown and crispy. You know how we do. The second side always cooks a little faster. So stay on your toes. We're moving the chicken to a plate laid with paper towel so it can drain. Let's make this delicious sandwich. We have a brioche bun. You can toast it and butter it if you like. You can just slather on a little butter and toast it in a dry pan. That's your jam. Next goes on a little mayo on both sides, the top bun and the bottom bun. Toss a few pickles on that thing. And this beautiful spicy fried chicken patty goes on top of those pickles. Simple, spicy, easy, and delicious. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.